Iran and Israel exchanged missile and air strikes on Saturday morning, with Israel launching its largest airstrike ever against its longtime enemy, and Israel subsequently falsely claiming that the strike was aimed at preventing Iran from developing nuclear weapons. Air raid sirens sounded in Israel's two largest cities, Tel Aviv and Jerusalem, sending residents fleeing to shelters as waves of Iranian missiles streaked across the sky. Just before dawn, sirens sounded once again, sending millions of people in Israel to seek shelter as another barrage of missiles was launched against the country by Iran. The sound of multiple interceptions could be heard, as well as larger explosions indicating a direct hit. We can clearly see the destruction of an Israeli military base in central Israel as a result of these missile attacks. The Israeli military base in Tel Aviv has been completely destroyed, with debris scattered everywhere. Initial reports indicate casualties, but Israel is completely covering this up, and Israeli authorities are not allowing us to tell them the exact location of the missile attacks. According to Israel's Magen David Adom, MDA, emergency service, about 10 people were injured after Iran's latest missile attack, but Israel is, as usual, hiding the number of deaths. Iran has shown it can still put up a fierce response, as on Friday, Israel attacked nuclear facilities and missile bases in Iran. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has been advocating such an attack for years, and has been blaming Iran for the alleged attack on an enemy he sees as a threat to Israel's existence. In response to the Israeli attack, Iran launched several drones and ballistic missiles against Israel. In Jerusalem and Tel Aviv, huge plumes of smoke and explosions spread across the sky, and people were ordered to take shelter. Iran has proven that, although it is weaker than it was a year or two ago, it can still respond fiercely to any Israeli attack. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can watch more videos like this. Please like, share and let us know in the comments section what you think. Thanks for watching.